Ships operate in the marine environment for extended periods, with their hull exteriors continuously subjected to seawater erosion, salt spray corrosion, and UV aging. Paint anti-corrosion is a critical process for ensuring structural safety and extending service life. However, traditional ship painting has long relied on scaffolding or manual gondola operations, posing three major problems: low efficiency and long construction cycles, high risks of working at heights, and serious health hazards from prolonged exposure to paint mist, and severe paint mist diffusion and pollution, low paint utilization rates, and high environmental treatment costs. Digcher's ship painting wall climbing robot consists of the robot body, a spray gun, and a paint mist shield, and can be optionally equipped with a coating thickness gauge and a painting monitoring device. It completely replaces manual work for high-altitude ship painting, pioneering a new model of ship anti-corrosion construction. During the spraying process, the spray gun can adjust its forward tilt angle to expand the painting range. The mounted coating thickness gauge provides real-time inspection of coating thickness to ensure that construction quality meets standards. The painting efficiency reaches over 400 square meters per hour, enabling outdoor high-altitude ship painting to be carried out efficiently, safely, environmentally friendly, and energy efficiently. Digcher has been deeply engaged in high-pressure water jet and intelligent robot technologies for over 30 years, providing a brand new anti-corrosion construction model for the ship repair and construction industry.